the quiet of nature, an unseen danger lies in wait. The snake, moving slowly and silently, has its eyes set on its prey. With sharp eyes and a flexible body, this snake has targeted a bird. The bird, unaware, flits from branch to branch, but it can't escape the snake's notice. As the snake inches closer, the bird's escape routes become narrower. Also a mongoose in its sights. This small yet brave creature is aware of the danger. The snake slyly makes its move toward the mongoose, but the mongoose is ready for this threat. But this mongoose isn't an ordinary target. While the snake is powerful and venomous, the mongoose is quick and agile. As the struggle begins, the mongoose targets the snake's weakest point. With a swift maneuver, the mongoose leaps onto the snake, rendering it helpless. The snake, once a fearsome predator, suddenly finds itself in the role of the prey. In nature, it's not always the strongest that wins, but the quickest and smartest. In the wild, the struggle for survival isn't always fair. Today, the mongoose triumphs over the snake, but tomorrow could bring a different outcome. This is how nature maintains its balance. A new battle, a new struggle, every day.